Hey Onyx Tribe, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the one thing that transformed my journey into tech: mindset. So if you've ever felt stuck, doubted yourself, or wondered if you're in the right path, this video is for you. For the longest time, I've always thought success is about mastering the tools and the skills required. But here's the truth: it's not about what you do, but how you think. Shifting my mindset made all the difference, and I hope it does same for you. Now let's do this together. Old mindset against new mindset. Fear of mistakes as against growth. Chasing perfection as against success is persistence. Comparing yourself to others as against focusing on yourself. Let me share a quick story with you. There was a time that I was supposed to build an app that tracks a responder's location at emergency. So the first one for me, I was terrified. I felt because I had no mapping experience. So, but instead of giving up, I researched, joined some coding community, and even experimented with scalable tools. Yes, it wasn't easy, true, but seeing my app come to life, seeing my app being used, was a proof that self-doubt, right, is a sign of growth. Burnout is real. I've been there, working endlessly, chasing deadlines, and feeling completely drained. The biggest lesson it has taught me is tech is a marathon and not a sprint. Take breaks and set boundaries. Prioritize your time, your task, and say no when needed. Celebrate even the smallest wins. Burnout taught me to pace myself and focus on sustainability. Progress is not about perfection. It's about consistency. Tech is tough, no doubt, but so are you. With the right mindset, there's nothing you can't do. What's been your biggest mental hurdle? Please share your story in the comment section. But if this resonates with you, hit like, subscribe, and join the Onyx Tribe. Let's grow together. Next time, I'll be sharing with you how to balance tech and life. See you soon, guys. Bye.